Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here with my ML-Class W164 chassis vehicle, and today I'm going to show you how you can charge the battery on this vehicle. Now, this is actually in response to a viewer who reached out to me and asked the question because the batteries in these cars actually sit under the driver's seat. That's of course if you've got a right-hand drive vehicle like myself. If you've got a left-hand drive vehicle, it's actually going to be under the passenger seat. Irrespective, it's the front right-hand seat of these ML-Class W164 chassis where the battery sits. So it's actually quite hard to get to. So today I'm actually going to use my CTEK charger to show you. Now I really like these CTEK chargers. You'll see other videos on the channel where I have these chargers, but I'm in no way affiliated at all to CTEK. But I will put in an Amazon link so you know where you can purchase one of these chargers. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is to open the bonnet, and you do that by reaching in under the driver's side footwell and you pull that red lever. The next, you reach in under the bonnet just right of the emblem, and you can feel there's a little flap which you pull up and open the bonnet. You can see the flap just there. So to charge the battery, we're simply going to use these jump start points under the bonnet, and you lift that red tab like that, and then we're going to connect our charger just like that to the post. So start by the positive, and then we'll connect our negative. So after we've connected the charger to the vehicle, I then plug in the charger to the power supply. Now with the smart charge CTEK, you then have to select the correct mode, and basically you increment through by pressing the mode button and holding. Now what I'm going to do is select the car mode or the vehicle mode and then the AGM mode, because all of your ML-Class W164 chassis vehicles have the AGM battery. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, I really like these CTEK smart battery chargers, and there's a number of good reasons for that. Primarily, they've got battery polarity detection built into the charger, and what that means is you can't damage either the charger or the vehicle if you reverse the polarity at the vehicle. So if you do that, the battery charger will simply throw up an error and it won't charge the vehicle, and there won't be any problems at all. You simply correct the polarity at the vehicle. But also, they've got a number of smart functions built in. So you can charge AGM batteries, as I've shown you with this vehicle. You can charge lead acid batteries. You can rejuvenate the batteries. So it's got all of these functions, but primarily, whatever type of battery you're charging, it goes through different cycles, and it specifically electronically optimizes the charge sequencing for all types of batteries that it supports. So there you go folks, that's how to quickly, easily and safely charge the battery on your Mercedes ML-Class W164 chassis vehicle. If you have liked the video, give us a like and drop a comment down below. We just love reading through all of those comments. And in the future, if you're interested in learning about maintaining and servicing your Mercedes or other vehicles on the channel, we've got the Audi, the Mazda 3 and the early Ford Falcon. We also do a bunch of DIY around the home. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.